పెన్ను గిన్నె అన్నీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
స్టాప్ చేయాలంటే చెప్పు, ఎస్కేప్ కదా.
అయిపోయినా చెప్పు, నేను వస్తా.
Good morning, students. In previous class we discussed about sum of n terms. I told about Archimedes. He found sum of n natural numbers. Suppose 1, 2, 3. These are natural numbers. If you want to add all these three numbers, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So, sum of n terms, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to, here we are having 3 terms. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 into 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 2 ja 6. So you add these three numbers, you will get 6. You substitute the number of terms here, you will get only 6. Next, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, sum of square. Aryabhat gave a formula, sum of n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In previous class we discussed about it, but I am remembering you. So here 3 numbers. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 14. Okay. So sum of n terms 3. There are 3 terms. 3 into 3 plus 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 3 into 4 into 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 6. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 7 2 ja 14. Next, Aryabhat also given cubes, sum of cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on. Sum of n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Again here 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2. Here we got 6, n into n plus 1 by 2. So 6 square, that is equal to 36. So this formula given by Archimedes, and these two, sum of squares and cubes, Aryabhat, our Indian mathematician. Okay. So next, 3, 5, 7 and so on. What is the sum of these three terms? 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So here one formula, Sn is equal to n into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. So we need 3, sum of 3. 3 by 2 into 2 into 3, a first term, plus n means 3, minus 1, to d means 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 6 plus 2 into 2. Okay, 3 by 2 into 6 plus 4. Okay, 3 by 2 into 10. 2 ones, 2 fives. 5 3 ja 15. Sum of 3 terms of AP is 15. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the first formula to find the sum of n natural numbers. So we can find using this formula any sum of series. Okay, suppose 4, 8, 12 and so on. Find S20. We know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to n means S20. N means 20 by 2. 2 into what is the first term? 4 plus n minus 1. That means 20 minus 1 into d means 4. Okay. Here 2 ones, 2 tens. 2 tens are 20. 10 into 8 plus 19 into 4. Okay. That is equal to 10 into 8 plus 76. 19 4 there. 10 into 76 plus 8. 84. So the sum is 840. So if you add 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, 20, 24, 28, 32. So sum of all these terms, 20 terms, will become 840. Next, find S10. 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 7 by 7 and so on. Here A is equal to, that means first term is 3 by 7. D is equal to 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. That is equal to 2 by 7. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to S10. So if we want to find 10 terms, sum of 10 terms. 10 by 2 into 2 into a means 3 by 7 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9. D means 2 by 7. Okay. 10 by 2 means 5. 2 1 ja 2 5. 5 into 2 3 ja 6 by 7. 9 2 ja 18 by 7. Okay. 5 into LCM is 7. 18 plus 6 24. 24 5 ja 120. 120 by 7. This is the sum of 10 terms. 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 plus 7 by 7 plus 9 by 7. We add all these 10 terms, we will get 120 by 7. Okay. So questions always in fractions and d value negative are very very important. Suppose the question is 10 comma 7 comma 4 and so on. Find S25. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 7 minus 10. A2 minus A1. That is equal to minus 3. It's a very 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 important question because answer the common difference is minus negative value. It's a very important question. S25 is equal to, what is the formula? 25 by 2, n by 2, 2a, 2 into 10, plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1, 25 minus 1 into d, what is the d? Minus 3. That is equal to 25 by 2 into, don't cancel 2 and 2, 2 10 are 20, plus 24 into minus 3, okay? 25 by 2 into 20 plus into minus, minus 72, okay? That is equal to 25 by 2 into minus 52, okay? Because big number sign is minus, so minus 72 plus 20 will become minus 52, 2 to cancel, 2 26 are 2 26 are 2 minus, that means 25 into minus 26, okay? So what is the answer? Plus into minus, minus 25 into 26. $650. So the questions, fractions and negative values, d value, negative value questions are very important. These are very important to public examination. Next, the first term and last term. Relation. We know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 20. So in between 2 and 20, how many terms we don't know. So if you know first term and last term, first we have to find number of terms in between 2 and 20. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In previous class we discussed about an and l are both are same. L, these two values are same. L is equal to last term 20 is equal to a how much? 2 plus n minus 1. So we don't know the value of n minus 1 into d means 4 minus 2, 2. So 20 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 18 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 18. N minus 1 is equal to 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. N is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. So there will be 10 terms, 2 and 20. So S10 is equal to n by 2, that means 10 by 2 into a plus l. Because we know the first term and last term, then the formula will become n by 2 into a plus l. So this is the very important factor. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into a plus l, 2 plus last term 20, that is equal to 5. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. 5 into 22, it is equal to 110. In previous class I explained how we can multiply with 5. 24 into 5, 120. You divide by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, keep 0. So similar like that, 5 into 22 will become 110. So in previous problem I explained Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this one also you can use. Sn is equal to S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9 into 2. That is equal to 5 into 2 to the 4 plus 18. That is equal to 5 into 22. That is equal to 110. 110, and here also both formulas are, it means both formula are used to find sum of n terms. Okay. Bye students.